Hi, we are Group 1 and today we will be presenting our auction system developed for the database coursework. In this demo, we will walk you through each feature step by step and show how they work through the interface and database queries. First, we will demonstrate user registration and login. First, click the login icon and you can create an account on the registration page. User can enter an email and a password, for example, like testuser.gmail.com at gmail.com. And enter the password and click register as a buyer or seller, and then just click the register. And after the registration, the data is stored in the database, and you will see the test user and the email, the password. Also, our password is using the short encryption. And once we log in, users are redirected to the home page and where they can access to the system features. Just log in and just show the test user at gmail.com and just sign in. Yeah, and that's it. Next, we will show how sellers can create auctions. Log in as a seller, just we create the seller test user at Gmail and just sign in. You will redirecting the page and create the auction and fill in the detail like test and choose the category and starting price, reserve price, and the end time. And you can also upload the picture, and then you just need to create an auction. You will find it in the list. Also, you can see it, but you can't place buy because you are the seller, and you can see any auction you create in your listings. Next, we're gonna introduce the browsing and searching auctions. As a gesture, you can also check the auctions just like this, but you need to log in, and then you can place by just log in as maybe as a user. You can see different options. As we can see the recognition, you can browse in different page like page 1 or page 2, and the URL will be changed. And but only a seller and a buyer except himself can place bind. On the browse page, we can filter options by keyword like maybe item, and you will see different product include item. Also, you can change the categories like smartphone and auction, maybe mouse, and you can search. Also, you can sort by the price, low to high, high to low, and by the end time soonest expiry. It's that's it. The closed soonest expiry will show in our page in the first. Yeah, that's all. Now, let's demonstrate the binding function. On an auction page, buyers can place buy by enter the entering amount, just like this. The current buy is £100, and then you can just place maybe 200 and place buy, and it will tell you your bind was successfully placed, and then you will find the current bind is 200, and the item D, let me see, item D bind is changed to the one bind. Also, you can change for another bind, maybe £300, and place bind, and you will be see the successful, and the bind will change. Yeah, the page dynamically updates with the currently highest bind and bind account. Next, we're gonna introduce the recommendation system. The recommendation system provides a personalized auction suggestion based on user behavior. Recommendation include a popular auction, and just like the popular auction, uh, and the content-based recommendation, and the collaborative filtering recommendation, and the random recommendation. For example, buyers who frequently buy the electronics maybe see more auctions in that category, and you can see after we refresh the page, it will show different recommendation for you, and you will see it. Yeah, that's it.
Now let's look into the email function of our system. Now we have two buyer accounts. This is account 1 and this is account 2. And account 2 adds this function to the watch list. So when someone else places a new bid for this function, he will receive a notification. And now for the account 1, we can place a new bid here. For example, 700. And when the buyer 1 places the new bid, he will receive a confirmation email like this to confirm, so notify him that you have placed a new bid. And now we can check the buyer account 2. Yes, he also receive email that the auction he or she watched will have a latest bid, which is 700.
Next, let's look at the transaction confirmation process. After an auction ends, the seller confirms the transaction in my listings, and also the buyer can finalize it in my bytes, just like this. And as we can see, as a seller, here are different status of confirmation like auction ongoing, transaction confirmed, and you can confirm the transaction and waiting for buyer confirmation and reserve not met. And finally, is the transaction expired, and we can have the different. We can check it, and just like this, awaiting seller confirmation, you can click the confirm transaction, and you will see the transaction is confirmed, and also you will find the refresh the buyer page, you will find the transaction confirmed. Also, as we can see, the waiting for buyer confirmation after the buyer confirms the transaction and refresh the seller, you will find the transaction confirmed. That concludes our demo. We have demonstrated all core functionalities and additional features like recommendations and email notifications. Thank you for watching.